Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP now supports write-back mode for ONTAP FlexCache volumes, enabling faster performance for write-intensive workloads distributed across multiple AWS regions and on-premises file systems. This support allows for caching writes locally on FlexCache volumes and asynchronously updating the origin volume, reducing write latency. As a result, write-heavy workloads such as collaborative content creation, distributed databases, and engineering workflows that operate across multiple regions or between cloud and on-premises environments can benefit from improved performance. The new feature is available at no additional cost for all FSx for ONTAP file systems in all AWS regions where the service is available. For more information, refer to the FSx for ONTAP user guide. Amazon EC2 C8GD, M8GD, and our 8GD instances are now available in Europe and offering up to 11.4 terabytes of local NVMe-based SSD block-level storage. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton 4 processors, delivering up to 30% better performance compared to Graviton 3-based instances. These new instances have up to 40% higher performance for I/O-intensive database workloads and up to 20% faster query results for I/O-intensive real-time data analytics than comparable Graviton 3-based instances. They are built on the AWS Nitro system, making them a great fit for applications that require high-speed, low-latency local storage. Each instance is available in 12 different sizes, providing up to 50 gigabits per second of network bandwidth and up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store. Additionally, customers can now adjust the network and Amazon EBS bandwidth on these instances by 25% using EC2 instance bandwidth weighting configuration, offering greater flexibility for workload optimization. Furthermore, these instances offer elastic fabric adapter networking on the 24s large, 48s large, metal 24XL, and metal 48XL sizes. Amazon Document DB announces 99.99% service level agreement. Amazon Document DB announces an updated service level agreement, promising a 99.99% availability when using a multi-availability zone configuration. This represents an increase from the previous SLA of 99.9%. Amazon CloudWatch Synthetics has added support for the Java programming language, enabling developers to write monitoring scripts using the Java 21 runtime environment. This new runtime, Syn Java 1.0, allows customers to leverage their existing Java expertise to continuously monitor the availability and performance of their services and applications. The Java runtime is designed for non-browser use cases, making canaries lightweight and faster, allowing customers to bring their own libraries and frameworks suited to their differentiated monitoring needs. The runtime supports modular step execution with built-in metric generation, queryable logs using the Canary Run ID, and optional X-ray tracing to visualize request paths across services. Customers can use Java build tools like Maven or Gradle to package their monitoring code, along with a synthetics.json configuration file, into a deployable zip artifact, which can then be used with the Synthetics APIs, SDKs, or infrastructure as code tools such as Terraform and CloudFormation for deploying canaries. The Java runtime is now available in all commercial AWS regions where CloudWatch Synthetics is supported. Amazon Neptune announces the launch of the Amazon Neptune MCP server, now available in the AWS MCP open source repository. This new server makes it easier for developers and AI assistants to interact with Amazon Neptune. The Neptune MCP server supports OpenCipher and Gremlin queries, schema discovery, and natural language querying, enabling seamless integration of graph queries into generative AI workflows. With this server, users can now seamlessly integrate Neptune into MCP-capable tools like Amazon QCLI, Cursor, Claude Code, as well as ask questions in plain English and receive accurate graph responses, without writing complex code. The Neptune MCP server allows users to explore and query graph data more intuitively and efficiently than ever before, making it an ideal solution for building a knowledge graph, analyzing relationships, or powering an AI assistant. AWS Backup has enhanced its Amazon EC2 restore capability to allow for custom volume configurations during the restoration process. This new feature enables users to specify settings for all attached Amazon EBS volumes, including volume type, size, IOPS, and AWS Key Management Service encryption keys, directly through AWS Backup. The enhancement applies seamlessly to restores from both standard backup vaults and logically air-gapped vaults. Users can start using this feature through the AWS Backup CLI or SDK by including a new section in their restore metadata to configure Amazon EBS volume settings. Cost Optimization Hub now supports savings plans and reservations preferences, allowing you to configure preferred commitment settings for your organization. This feature enables you to see your resulting recommendations and savings potential based on your preferred commitments. You can select a term length of either 1 or 3 years, as well as payment options such as all upfront, partial upfront, and no upfront. This allows you to align the savings potential with your organization's preferred commitment settings, providing even more accurate potential savings. With Cost Optimization Hub, you can easily identify, filter, and aggregate AWS cost optimization recommendations, including EC2 instance right-sizing recommendations, Graviton recommendations, idle recommendations, reservations recommendations, and savings plans recommendations. This feature is available at no additional charge in all AWS regions, except for the AWS China regions and AWS GovCloud regions. You can start using Cost Optimization Hub with the new preferences options through the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or AWS SDK. AWS Network Firewall adds support for multiple VPC endpoints. AWS Network Firewall now supports configuring multiple VPC endpoints for a single firewall, providing more options to scale your deployment across multiple Amazon virtual private clouds. This new capability allows you to associate up to 50 VPC endpoints per availability zone with the firewall and route traffic through the firewall for inspection. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.